Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Al Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 117 OC2 in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. We'll make this brief today. We're going to work on Module 3. Module 3 is to complete the drawing of this metric mechanical part. And then we have some of these bonus materials as well, so that you can continue to practice your 3D modeling. If we look at the drawings, here's our Module 3. You'll use the metric template. You'll create the front, right, and top views and the isometric CAD model. Back to the main splash page. Step by step, Module 3B. Here's our video with the instructions for how to create the orthographic drawings. We'll create the front view, and as you can see, everything lines up with these green construction lines showing how we can go from the front view to the side view. And then they use this what's called a miter line to show how those features translate off the miter line into the top view. So we'll get our length and height, and then we'll get our depth and height, and then we'll get our length and depth in these different drawings. Additional projects as shown. Back to the main splash page. Here's our B-size metric title block. If you click on that and you open it, you'll have the title block required for the drawing. AutoCAD shortcuts. These are just some aliases and some shortcuts to improve your CAD drawing abilities and knowledge. How to set up a VPN. If you are VPNing into one of the computers, virtual private network, basically connecting to a computer that we have in the lab. And then here's our PowerPoint. And we kind of spiced this up a little bit or added some additional content because working with traditional drafting tools is really now pretty much knowing about how to work with a drafting machine and understanding the terminology. But at this time, we really don't do a lot of manual drafting. As we work with manual drafting, we can go through and look at the different types of pencils and the leads, how you can use different tools like triangles. Manual drafting took quite a bit of work to do the same type of work that we do with our CAD system. And it took a lot of supplies. We want you to be able to understand the basic concepts for manual drafting, units of measurement, protractors, how to create angles, using circle templates, ellipse templates, calculating out paper sizes. A size is 8.5 by 11, B is 11 by 17, 17 by 34 C size, and how to calculate layout on paper, because we can't just change the zoom scale factor on a manual piece of paper. You actually have to draw everything at a scaled down version. And this is the technique to be able to get everything to fit properly on the paper. All right, back to the main splash page. Here's our drawing. That's the assignment for this week. Create the front, right, and top views. And again, redundant. And that's basically it. The bonus assignments are located in the drawing content, as well as that one PDF that was a little bit small. And if we look at our 3 content, all of our information is located right here. With that, that ends our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.